How to send automated emails in Monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It is not that hard, so just keep watching and you will get there. Now let's say I want to send an automated email, and for example, so item 1 and then is assigned to a specific person, in this case me, myself, but yeah, let's say you have multiple people, and it is for example, 1 day before the due date, then I want to send an automated email to that person to make sure to finish it. So that is what I want to do. Now, first of all, you want to integrate either Gmail or Outlook, I believe, to Monday.com. And then you can actually go ahead and click on automate. So you want to create a custom automation, and then where it says when this happens, so when date arrives, so and then when date arrives at 10 a.m. or 1 day before and then at 10 a.m. Then date, set that to the column date arrives, then do this. And what will it do? Send an email. So then send, and then you have to choose your email. So that's what I just did. Send an email, and then here you can type the email. So for example, due date is tomorrow, and then you can type your email, and then I send a message. Make sure to finish your and then item name, so that task, and then exclamation mark. So that is what the email will be, and then to someone, and then you can either send it to me or the people column, and that is what I actually want to do. So because I want to do that is, let's say you have multiple people in your board and you have different tasks assigned to different people, then you don't have to do it manually for each person. You can just simply let Monday.com read which person is assigned to that task, and then that person will get that email. So then click on person and then click on create automation. So that's actually pretty cool. And yeah, I now have this turned off. So 1 day before the date arrives, send an email to person. So 1 day before May 25th, which is tomorrow, send an email to a person that is assigned over here to this specific task. So that is exactly what you want to do. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.